Time to unbox the Epson Expression Premium XP-7100. So let's unbox all the ink, the manual, the power supply, and finally the actual printer. It is pretty heavy actually. So here's the printer all packaged up, blue tape on everything. Let's pull all that out. It's a standard cartridge printer, so it comes with your normal black, photo black, cyan, yellow, and magenta. Powering it on takes about 7 minutes to initialize. So we're gonna just blow through this. Once it's initialized, you have to do all the adjustments on the printer head. It takes a long time, actually. It took me 10-15 minutes to get through the entire piece because the printing is not super fast. Matter of fact, what we'll do here is I'll slow this down so that you can actually see how long it takes to print one sheet. So once you get through all the printer adjustments, you're printing and you're just telling the printer which printing method worked best. Then the printer works great. The iOS found it 123. I was able to just pull a picture up from my iPhone and print it. It was pretty good. And for the price, this is a great printer.